How to update or configure using Tally.Erp9 license. You need to start your Tally Prime. Click Reactivate Existing License. Please note, if you have installed Tally Prime in a different folder, then you can use both the products simultaneously if needed. Enter the tally.net ID and password. The list of licenses screen appears. Select the required Tally.Erp9 license. Once the license is configured to the Tally Gateway server, you will receive the following message. Select Yes to activate. The list of companies screen appears. Select the required company to continue. Your Tally Prime application is now licensed. You can start using Tally Prime for business transactions. Now let's talk about how to upgrade from Gateway of Tele. You need to go to the Gateway of Tele. You can find the Upgrade to Latest Release button on the right panel. Press U to proceed. Now, depending on the validity of your TSS, one of the following screen will appear, and you can select an action based on your requirements. Your TCS is valid or eligible for this release. No more option. This button will take you to the release notes page where you can learn about the highlights of the latest release. Snooze until next release option. This button will hide the notification until the next release is available. If you are not interested in upgrading to the new release, then you can always check out the next release. Open download page option. This button will lead you to the official website where you can download the setup file for the latest release and install it at your convenience. Upgrade now option. This button will upgrade your Tally Prime directly to the latest release without taking you to the website. To enjoy the benefits of the latest release, you only have to restart Tally Prime to apply the changes. Your TSS is about to expire but is eligible for this release. Remind me after 7 days option. This button will hide the notification for now and remind you again after 7 days. Renew TSS option. This button will lead you to the TSS renewal page of the official website where you can select the required edition and easily renew your TSS. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.